Welcome to the S3 Video Host Quick Start Guide Part 2, where we're going to go ahead and set up our first video server. So on my desktop here, I'm on the home screen here, and I've got this side menu here with Add Server. Now, just before I click that, if you're not seeing the side menu here, up the top here, you've got this hamburger menu. You can give that a click to open up the side menu. I'm going to choose Add Server, and we simply give it a server name and select our region. So I'm going to call this my first video server. Select the region here and choose Create Server. And now the S3 Video Host is spinning up my new server. Now we can see we're inside of my first video server, the video server we just created, and we can start adding our videos. Now we've got an Add Videos button here. We could click that. You can also drag and drop them. So here I've got a video. I'm just dragging and dropping that in, and that's being uploaded now to my video server. And as soon as it's ready, we're going to see it appearing here in my videos list menu. Now we've got two different views. We've got the list view here, and then we've got the card view. I personally like the card view, but if you've got a lot of videos, you might find the list view a little bit more friendly on the eyes. We've also got a filter option here, so when you have lots of videos, you can go ahead and enter a keyword and quickly find the video you're looking for. Now we want to create a thumbnail for our video, so let's go ahead and select our video here. You can see this is my video. I can go ahead and play it through. And the first step I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the thumbs here, and we're going to create our thumbnails. So just clicking Create Thumbnails, it's going to go ahead and generate two thumbnails for each official thumbnail size, and we can see them below here. We've got the icon. Taking a look at that, we've got two thumbnails, one with the play button and one without the play button. We've got the thumbnail size as well, and you can see the different sizes here: medium, large size. We've got the HD, and we've also got the full HD. Now, if your video quality is a little bit lower, if it's a smaller video and it doesn't have these larger sizes, it's not going to generate those larger distorted thumbnails automatically. However, if you want all the thumbnail sizes, even with a smaller video, we've got the option to toggle on the force all sizes, create thumbnail, and it'll create all those thumbnails for you. Now, how do we use the video and the thumbnails on our website? We simply go to the publish option here, and it gives us three different fields. We've got a source URL. So this is the direct MP3 file to that particular video. This means I could use this video source in any video player just by clicking the copy here and paste it into my video player and use that anywhere on the web. We've also got the HTML embed code here, which will use the S3 Video Host video player that we can see here. So that's a really nice feature. We've also got the raw HTML option if you want the native browser, a bit of an advanced feature, native browser MP4 player to use the video. You've got the raw HTML code here option ready to go. So in a nutshell, when you're using it in a video player, grab the source URL. If you want to embed the video into HTML, go ahead and select the HTML option here. Now we've got a couple of other really cool features built into the S3 Video Host where you can actually customize the video player and you can add your own title, for instance. If we go to the video tab here, under video title, I can give it my video title here. And if we take a look up the top here, you can see it's coming on the video. If I save changes now, wherever this video is embedded, it's going to update in real time where that particular video is, so you don't have to make changes and re-embed the video. All the changes take effect pretty much in real time. It might be 1 or 2 seconds sometimes, but it's going to be very quick. You can also add the video author here or a subtitle. So I would put here Matthew McDonald or by Matthew McDonald, and you can see it's updating my video here in real time. We can also add an author image, and we can select it here and it'll upload it directly to my video server, which is really neat. We've got an add images button here you can use, or you can simply drag and drop that image in there. And now that image is available to me. I've got a profile pic here, selecting that, and now I've got a nice image there to go with this particular video. Saving changes, and that's going to take effect on the video wherever I've got it embedded. We can also customize the theme of the video player. This is super cool because we can use branding in the video player to go with our website or go with our video product or wherever we want this video to appear. So from here, we've got ready to go swatches. You can go ahead and select your branding, and there you can see that video player is taking effect with its new color. You can also toggle through here. For instance, we have a hex value. So if you know your company color or your business branding, website branding, hex value, you can put it in there, or you can also drag this around and see it's changing it in real time. Saving changes, and now my video has been updated. You do have some other video controls here as well. So if you don't want the center play button, you can toggle that on or toggle that off. We've also got other control options: full screen, playback speed, picture in picture, and rounded. So saving changes. And now wherever I've published this video, this is going to update now with my title and other details. Up the top here, we've got a breadcrumb, so we can quickly navigate in this video server. So I'm going to go back to the video server root here, and I can add a folder. So if you've got multiple different videos in a video server, you can organize it exactly how you want. So I'm just going to call this folder alpha and show you how this works. So selecting that option there, and you can see now I've got a nice folder here ready to go. We can go into that folder and we could drag and drop videos directly in here, or use the add videos option from here. We can also have nested folders. So inside of the alpha folder, we could do something like Bravo. Okay, so we add a Bravo folder. Maybe you have a video course or a video program or website videos or different things like that. Then we can drill down and create nested folders, which is really handy to stay organized. And we're getting a nice breadcrumb trail here. We can just click to back out of here. If you want to go ahead and delete a folder, you can also go into that folder and go ahead and delete the folder. It'll delete that folder and move you out of it like this. To add more video servers, it's super easy. All we need to do is expand our video server here, and we can choose to add video server from here. So this would be my second video server. You can give it whatever name you want. You can select your region, create server, and it's going to go ahead and spin that server up for you, and it'll pop you in that new video server. Currently it's working, and there we go. We've got a fresh new video server ready to go. We also have a video server setup menu here. So click in that. You can see the different options here. We can also go ahead and delete that video server from here. You can also use an existing bucket for a video server as an advanced feature. You could choose add video server. So I'm going to just call it existing bucket server just to demonstrate this. Obviously, you would use a different name there. And we can choose existing bucket from here. So selecting existing bucket, I can go ahead and see all my buckets here. I can type to find the bucket I'm looking for, select the bucket, and go ahead and create that server inside the bucket. It will go ahead and configure that bucket for that particular server. We also have support for CloudFront, so if you're using CloudFront with your video servers, you can get some lightning fast video loading. I will do a separate video on the CloudFront and how to configure it with your particular CloudFront. So there is a quick start guide to get you up and running with your S3 video server. Expand the side menu here, jump into your server, drag and drop videos. Everything is taken care of under the hood. That's going to go into your Amazon Ores bucket, and so you've got no worries about limitation and bandwidth, and you can manage easily all your S3 videos with the S3 video host. All right, it's Matthew McDonald here. I will see you in another video very soon.